What's up, you guys? So today's video is going to be fairly quick. It's just going to be focusing on how we can help our son, daughter, whoever you would want to help out at home when it comes to, getting better at their martial arts, their punches, their kicks, all that good stuff. First, we're going to start off with anything like a straight attack. With the technique in mind, we're talking about the jabs and crosses and thrust kicks. Any attack that goes straight, I'm going to start off with using a pillow, right? So go ahead and grab a pillow, and you want to hold it up against your body, close to your body, not away from it. All right, don't be afraid. Have it here, close to your body. Have them stand in front of you in a strong stance. Make sure you give them a good, clear target of where they're supposed to hit, and you go ahead and count for them, right? So I would count 1, and they would move in, jab, cross. They would do a thrust kick. They would do a back kick. As long as they're hitting the target where it's supposed to be, then you guys are good. I would suggest making sure that I have a strong stance. If I'm standing just like this, then it's easier for me to lose my balance. It's going to take longer, right? So just make sure you have a solid stance right here. So it's really simple if you're doing anything straight. A jab, a cross, we do it this way. A jab, a cross, a thrust kick, a back kick, a side kick, anything coming straight at you. This would be the best thing to do. Simple. If you want to do something a little bit more advanced, you can go ahead and put the pillow right here on your leg, and they can do leg kicks. You can do it on both sides. You can do inside leg kicks. You can do a higher roundhouse kick. Notice how I'm holding it on my hip. Elbow is back on the target. I'm holding the top and the bottom, so when they do hit, they're hitting right in the middle, just like this. It's on this side. Boom. Review. Straight attacks going this way. Roundhouse kicks here. Alright, so let's go ahead and talk about using our hands as targets. So let's say we don't have our pillow. We want to go ahead and do a quick workout. Obviously with the pillow there's more cushion, so they can hit a lot harder. We have our hands. It's going to hurt eventually if they keep hitting hard. So if you're using your hands, tell them to focus more on the technique. Take your time. Let's say we're using the jab cross. I'm not going to put my hands out on the side like this, because then they're going to end up punching like this, off to the side. And we don't want to create bad muscle memory. Hold it right in front of them. Show them which one you want them to hit first. So if they're hitting with their left hand, it's going to be my left hand catching. So it's going to be 1, 2. Notice they're in the same exact spot. So when they punch, they're punching in the same exact spot. Don't have it out, have it in front. If they're doing a hook punch, you would want to make sure that you're holding it right where that jab and the cross was, but just at a different angle, all right? So they're punching your palm. So you would catch for a jab, cross, hook, it would be jab, cross, hook, all in the same area. Notice how I'm keeping this around my head. You would want to keep your targets around the height of their head. So those are just some quick ways on how to hold targets for your kids. Today's video was fairly simple but very important when it comes to training with your child, right? Sometimes they just need something to hit, right? They can't get the full experience when they're just punching air, right? They need something solid to hit, and this is where the parents or anybody can help out. Just to give you guys a heads up, some good news is coming your way. Evolve All has been working really hard on putting out all these videos for you guys. We have been working on a subscription-based platform that has a catalog of over 100 videos for everybody, right? So that includes all of our videos that are up on YouTube, videos that were up on Vimeo a long time ago. That includes tutorials, challenges, full-on classes, old demos that we used to have, which are really cool to watch. That's going to be coming your way. All of our current members are going to have a 60-day free access to it. Again, this Thursday, the 26th at 1 p.m., this will be launching. It's going to be called Evolve All TV. Keep a lookout for that. There's going to be an email sent out for everybody. So yeah, there is some light at the end of this tunnel. All right. If you have any questions, just please ask it in the comments. You can email me at christian@evolveall.com. Message me on the Youth Martial Arts Evolve All page, which is evolveall_YMA. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please be safe, keep training, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.